Hi, good evening. Welcome again to another vlog. So today we will have this PEQ battery box to be mounted on our M4A1. We're hoping that it will add more good looks to this rifle. Are you ready now? Okay, let's go. Okay guys, this battery box is just a battery box. It does not hold yet the flashlight or the laser, so let's go. So here we have it, guys. Our battery is installed. So here it is. It looks good. It matches with the holographic sight. So I hope you like it, guys. Thanks for watching. By the way, if you want to grab this kind of PEQ battery box, you can get it on Shopee for a very small amount of only 200 pesos. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Bye.